In an ancient temple, a number of pigeons lived happily on a rooftop. When the renovation of the temple began for the annual temple feast, the pigeons relocated themselves to a church nearby. The existing pigeons in the church accommodated the newcomers very well. Christmas was nearing and the church was given a facelift. All the pigeons had to move out and look for another place. They were fortunate to find a place in a mosque nearby. The pigeons in the mosque welcomed them happily. It was Ramadan time and the mosque was to be repainted. All the pigeons now came to the same ancient temple. One day the pigeons found some communal clashes below in a market square. The baby pigeon asked the mother pigeon,
"Who are these people?"
The mother replied, "They are human beings." The baby asked,
"But why are they fighting with each other?"
The mother said, "These human beings going to temple are called Hindus, and the people going to church are called Christians, and the people going to mosques are called Muslims." The baby pigeon asked,
"Why is it so? Look, when we were in the temple we were called pigeons, when we were in the church we were called pigeons, and when we were in the mosque we were called pigeons. Similarly, they should be called just human beings wherever they go."
The mother pigeon said, "You and I and our pigeon friends have experienced God, and that's why we are living here in a highly elevated place peacefully. These people are yet to experience God, hence they are living below us and fighting and killing each other." So what have we learned from the story? We are all human first and all are alike. Let us respect and be united for a peaceful and loving world. Sai Ram.